Shoulder Workout, Exercise 1. Welcome back. Our first shoulder exercise is the barbell sit overhead press shoulders. Keep your core tight and press the weights up. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 2. Moving on to barbell rear delt raise shoulder. Control the movement and focus on your side delts. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 3. Next up is the barbell rear delt row shoulders. Keep your arms straight and lift to shoulder height. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 4. Now let's do barbell upright row shoulders. Squeeze your shoulder blades together to target the rear delts. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 5. Exercise 5 is the barbell wide grip upright row shoulders. Focus on the muscle contraction and maintain slow reps. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily workouts.